Okay, so for number 3, we have a plant heterozygous for 3 traits. So there, 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 and there. It's self-fertilizing, so it's crossed with itself. So we really only need to do one Punnett square here. So I got big little, cross with big little, which means I've got that nice 3 to 1 ratio thing going on. So part A says, what is the probability of being homozygous for 3 dominant traits? So that means big A, or big. So I got a 4th chance of that. So that's the first trait, and then the second trait, and then the third trait. So I said and for each one of those. So rules probability says I'm going to multiply. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 4 times 4 is 16. Times 4 is 64. 14, right? It feels like that's one too many. No, that's right, 64. So sorry. Okay, so that's A. Part B says homozygous for 3 recessive traits. Well, still 1/4 chance to be homozygous for the traits. Now notice those are genotypes and not phenotypes. So phenotypes would be different. Still 1/64 for part B. Part C, the probability of being heterozygous. So that was 2/4 and 2/4 and 2/4, which is going to be 4, 8, 64 or 1/8. Right. D says that I'm homozygous for tall and axial. So homozygous for 1 trait. That's tall. So it's axial. That's tall. And then heterozygous for seed shape. So that's 2/4. So that leaves me with 2 64ths or 1/32. Remember, simplification is not necessary.